Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to Maddy. So you have just installed a fresh copy of Windows, right? Well, before you start using it, there are a few important steps you should always do, like updating Windows and installing essential softwares. In today's videos, I will show you exactly what to do right after a clean window install, step by step. Let's get started. Alright, first thing, let's make sure your window is fully updated. Go to Start, Windows Update, click Check for updates, and let Windows download and install everything. This might take a little while, but it's really important. Update fix bugs, improve performance, and install drivers automatically. Once done, restart your PC if needed and check again just to make sure there's nothing left. Sometimes after installing Windows, your Wi-Fi or display might not work properly. That means your drivers are not fully installed yet, so make sure your Windows and drivers are updated. Next up, Microsoft Edge is fine, but most people prefer Google Chrome. So download the Google Chrome setup and install it. So next is file extractor software. Normally use WinRAR or 7-zip. Also you need to install VLC Media Player for videos. So next is Adobe Acrobat software, normally used for read the documents. After installing it, also need to install Microsoft Office. This is also used for reading documents, Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. Once everything is installed and updated, give your PC a quick restart. This makes sure all settings and updates apply properly. Now your window is fully ready, fast, clean, and loaded with all the essential tools. And that's it guys. That's exactly what I do after every Windows installation. Update first, install drivers, and then all the must-have software. And that's it guys. If the video helped you out, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to Maddy, and drop a comment if you got any questions. I will see you in the next video.